Hi, I'm Jeff Gunn, and I'm very excited to be here today with Acoustic Guitar Magazine. Today I'm going to be talking about natural harmonics on the guitar. Now you can sound natural harmonics at the 12th fret, 7th fret, the 5th fret, and the 19th fret, as well as a couple other locations. Depending on where I move my strumming hand closer to the bridge, I can get them at the 4th fret, 2nd fret, and even the 9th fret. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about how you can actually sound the natural harmonics. What you want to do is you want to take a finger from your fret hand and you want to rest it directly over top of the metal fret bar. For example, at the 12th fret, you're just going to rest it very gently on top of the strings, not pushing too much, otherwise you won't get a sound. And I'm going to sound each string one by one. Now the cool part is once you let go of the note, it still sounds actually. Check it out. In example 1, I'm going to sound the harmonics at the 12th fret using 8th notes. In example 2, I'm going to be going up in groups of 3 strings at a time using 8th notes again. I'm going to stay at the 12th fret, but I encourage you to try it at the 7th and 5th frets and all the frets where harmonics are produced. In example 2, I'm going to sound the harmonics using 8th notes, going up 3 strings at a time. And I encourage you to try these different exercises at all the different locations where you can sound natural harmonics. In example 3, I'm actually going to rest over top of the 12th fret, and I'm going to strike all the strings simultaneously. Now, in example 4, I'm doing the exact same thing, but I'm at the 7th fret. Now this time we're going to use 8th notes, but we're going to descend from the highest note to the lowest using 8th notes again at the 7th fret, like so. In example 5, I'm going to be sounding the natural harmonics using 8th notes in a descending pattern. In example 6, we're sounding the natural harmonics at the 5th fret. In example 7, I'm going to be ascending and descending using triplets at the 5th fret. In example 8, what we're doing is we're taking an A major chord, forming it at the 5th fret, and I'm going to be using my pinky to sound the B harmonic on the 1st string at the 7th fret, so you can hear it. And you can hear how it sounds afterwards and creates a really nice sound. In example 9, I'm actually sounding the harmonic below the chord, so you can hear it here on the 4th string, and it's the A harmonic. In example number 10, I'm still on the A major chord, and what I'm going to be doing is alternating between the harmonic, the A harmonic on the 4th string, 7th fret, and the E harmonic here at the 5th string, 7th fret. It sounds like this. In example 11, I'm going to take the exact same concept, but I'm going to move it up to the 10th fret, and I'm going to make a D sus2 chord, and I'm actually going to do the exact same thing, alternating between the harmonic here on the 4th string 12th fret and the 5th string 12th fret, the D and A respectively. In example 12, we're going to be moving between the A chord and the D sus2 chord, while alternating harmonics underneath. And why not do it 2 times each? It sounds great too. Check this out. Natural harmonics can also be produced at the 4th fret, the 2nd fret, the 9th fret, and a few other locations. But the secret to sounding those harmonics in those locations actually is not only to rest over top of the metal fret bar, but also to take your pick hand and move it closer to the actual bridge in order to sound those harmonics. This song is called Starlight, and it uses a combination of harmonics and regularly played notes. It's been a pleasure being here today with Acoustic Guitar Magazine, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.